Hello, guys. Hello. Oh, shit. Hello, guys. Oh, wrong voice. Hello. Hello, guys. That's better. Hello, guys. It's the Virus King 59, and I'm going to be playing with a special guest, Dr. Slayer. So, yeah, let's do this. Booga booga. Oh, yeah. We've got a cool emblem. Look at the Dr. Dre. It's my tits. Can't forget the tits. Dr. Dre tits. Dr. Dre tits. Oh wait, no, tits. Dr. Dre. Okay, so guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing pistols only versus bots. Did you put the health on 30%? Oh, for sake! Oh well, guys, we're going to be playing very rubbish in this round. It's a bit like what I did with Phoenix. Completely failed. If I could just shoot you, I would. I would. I would. Don't you dare do that to me. Come on, fam. You mess. Oh, man. Wiggy. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. You stole my kill! How dare you? How oh no! Ah! How dare you? Um, how, oh no! How dare he kill me? That's not nice. Why? Why? I like talking disabled. Okay, I just gotta kill. Repeat. Ow! Ow! He knifed me. No. Not right now. I'm gonna take this kill as well. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh! 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 Somebody's gonna be like 119 talking to your mom on the phone. But she's a female prostitute. Oh wait, she's not female. That's true. That's true. She's not a female, but she's still a prostitute. Prostitute. There you go. That helps you out a lot. This pistol's gonna be running out. It's the rule. If we run out of ammo on our pistol, can we use I don't know. Goodbye. And that's why I don't. So yeah. Ow! How did I miss everyone? Alright, that's it. Come on, boys. Yo, no. Yo, 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 yo. Why won't you die? Oh! You just got soldier boy, soldier boy, soldier boy. So what the fuck? Where is everyone? Yo! When everybody goes, hey, hey, I go, boom, boom. He goes, whoop, whoop. Da 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 da. I can't. Man down, repeat. Man down. Man down. Ah, man down again. Man down again. How did I not see that claymore? I'm gonna go in blind, everyone. I can't see where I'm going because I closed my eyes, guys. Where am I right now? Ow! Did I even aim in? I'm not gonna do that no more. That's boring. I'm gonna go around with my knife. You're not allowed, so I'm gonna pull out my pistol. Why do I even have a knife? I'm not allowed that. Oh well, it's still part of the pistol. Oh, this was never allowed. Come on! Okay, you said we can. Oh! You see that? You see that, guys? It's still part of the knife. It was still part of the knife. It was still part of the knife. Not right now! I will do it tomorrow with your mom! Why did he not die? I stabbed him! I stabbed him clearly, guys! I stabbed him! Ow, mine now! Oh. to do everything that I do. Hey, sexy lady, behind you. I got your back. No, it's not. It's in front of you. Really? Yeah, it's in front of you. Ah! If you want, guys, put in the comments. Put in the comments if you want me to do Quickscope against Dr. Slayer. Yeah, I'm doing it anyway, but tell me if you think it's a good idea. Unless that's if he wants to do it. Or this is a wimp to go against the pro. Guys, I didn't just cheat there and pulled out a gun. I don't care, guys, if I just didn't shoot him with a pistol, because I was about to die, so it was life or death, guys. Die! See? I didn't kill everyone. Okay, guys, this is such a good gun. I'm actually gonna... Guys, look how good this is. Did you see how good that was? Did you see how good that was? I shot a whole round into him and he never died. See how good that was. Hey! Well, I don't care. I don't care if the whole world... Well, I would care if the whole world sort of blew up, but... I don't care! So, hello! I'm going to make this kill. And this kill. No, I missed him. I got 2 kills. Now I need to get... I'm gonna get you with my pistol. You keep getting killed, you crap piece of shit. You keep getting killed. You cannot play this game because you are a shite. I'm only kidding. Ah, we're getting shot because of you, you little prick. How dare you, you dickhole. No, don't call me shit. You call me shit, I shoot you up the ass. Don't call me shit. How did I die? How the fuck did I die? If I die, then I die. But don't make me die. Cause I am not the shit. You shut your mouth. You shut your mouth. Cause if you don't shut your mouth, I'm going to shoot. Ah, shit. I lost the word. Oh well, it's life. Okay. Ah! That was scary, man. You're only 4 kills away, boy. 5 kills away. 6 kills away. Thank you. Ah! Fuck! That scared the hell out of me. We ran around the corner and went. That's peak for us. It's not peak for you. Right. Yeah. Ah! Ah! Yeah, guys, just to point out, we're using pistols, and they're not. Oh, come on! And they're not. So we're not going to be doing that well because he didn't put it on 30% health. So we would be on you by now. But you didn't put it on 30% health. Shut up! Exactly. So I will slap you. Ah!
Kill confirmed.
I pretty much died. Nice shot. Not. Woohoo! Cyclops. Really? 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 Oh! You just got owned! You just got owned! You just got pwned.
Kill confirmed.
Oh! I nearly got it. Ow! You nearly killed me! Bitch!
UAV on standby.
Shut up!
Reloading. 100 killers rolling.
ask your mother. Cause she's in my cellar. Say hello to my little pistol. It's very little. It's only 5 years old. I like to treat my pistol. Ah, you bitch! You bitch! I had an ass like, and you go on and kill me. That's not be nice. Oh well, that's life. I've only got 32. You have 34. So I have to kill a bit more to beat you. So you got to beat the more, but that doesn't really count. You the bitch? You the beat me? Yeah? You the beat me? Alright guys. I don't know how long that's been, but it's been so long. Okay. Guys, it's been the Virus King 59, and I've been playing with Dr. Slayer, and he got last kill. Shit. I'm only kidding guys. So yeah, see you later guys. Peace out. Respect.